Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. You are watching day 3 of the Maldives vlog series. This day's main plan was to visit an uninhabited island and spend some more time on the beach. So after having our breakfast, we got into the buggy and the staff took us directly to the jetty area where the speedboats were coming to pick us up and take to the uninhabited island. So with a remarkable speed, we were sailing through the blue Indian Ocean, and it was one of the most surreal experiences of our life. So after 20 minutes of this stunning and thrilling speedboat ride, we could finally see an island.
Hi guys, so it's day 3 in Maldives and today's plan was to come on an uninhabited island and have kind of a picnic. So that's what we are doing. It's extremely sunny over here and we are going to have a great time.
The island was so beautiful and our hotel staff was arranging an umbrella for us to rest, and they also provided some cold drinks. The shallow water near the beach was so clear that we could actually see the whole reefs.
So finally we are on uninhabited island, settled over here with our bath
we are
towels.
resting under this umbrella. It's extremely sunny.
We are not able to open our eyes.
Open my eyes.
Yeah, it's really hot and
it's not hot actually, but it's sunny.
We started exploring this pristine white sand beach, and the place looked out of the world, just like what we see in the movies. The crystal clear water made it quite easier to observe the beautiful fishes that were roaming and swimming around the reefs. At places like these, you get to see the vastness of the ocean and you realize how small you are in front of the grandeur of this beautiful planet. After some time, we decided to explore the green zone of this island. It consisted of some mangroves and some wild tropical plants.
nice.
We also took a walk around the rest of the island and came to know that there were so many other tourists on the other side of the island. After that, we returned to the umbrella and had some water and drinks.
So we are having an amazing time on this island and we'll be leaving in few minutes.
saw flying fish, and obviously we couldn't capture it. It was so beautiful, and I have attached a Google image for it. Then after we returned to the hotel, we had some amazing lunch, including stir-fried noodles, red snapper fish curry and rice. After lunch, we went on to explore the beach area again, and on the way at the green zone, there was beautiful natural light, and so we thought it was perfect time to click some amazing pictures and videos. The pictures turned out really well with some amazing rim light around our bodies. After that, we returned to our hotel to get ready to get into the water.
Hi guys, right now we are going in water near the sandbank.
After spending quality time at the beach and viewing this beautiful sunset, we returned to our hotel for dinner. The menu had a lot of variety. It had white sauce pasta, a green apple salad, onion and tomato salad, some chicken tikkas, fried chili, and caramel custard for dessert. So that was it for the day. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos, and stay tuned for the next vlog. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is inspired_Ardian, and the link is in the description. Till then, goodbye.